Hello, everybody, and welcome to this maiden edition of the program Tech Talk with me, Faye Bunwe Ayise. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to take you on an incursion into the world of technology. Oh, yes, you heard me right. The world of hardware, softwares, bootcamps, summits, consumer electronics, just everything you need to know about the world of technology. We have got you covered. So if you are ready, let's get started with Tech News. Welcome back, everybody. We begin with tech news, and of course, we start from home. Nerve Tech Education is offering a holiday tech camp for children aged 7 to 17 years from July to the 17th of August. And of course, this is an opportunity for the young minds to get exposed to computer programming, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, drone technology, and so much more. I told you, the Southwest Regional Capital City, Boya, is host to a teeming community of tech startups and tech developers known as the Silicon Mountaineers. And this is their own way of making sure that the younger generation is well prepared to take on the relay baton. Away from that, let's now talk about YouTube and its latest innovation. Well, YouTube is preparing to launch a new feature known as Ask for Music. Oh, yes. Now, this is an AI feature which will enable users to ask for music through conversation. Just imagine you saying, YouTube, can you play me Michael Jackson's all-time best-selling record? And then you just tap it there at the snap of a finger. Oh, yes, that's technology. That's AI. AI is taking all over the world. All right, and to wrap up with tech news, let's make welcome the latest consumer electronics. Welcome the smallest mobile phone in the world. It's called the Zanko Tiny T1. It is so small, yet so powerful. Now, this small mobile phone actually measures 46.7 millimeters by 21 millimeters by 12 millimeters and weighs about 13 grams. Oh, yes, just about the size of a bar of chocolate. Now, even though it is this small, it can actually contain 300 phone book contacts, 50 SMS messages, and 50 records of incoming calls and outgoing calls. It also has a very functional keyboard, and it's selling for the price of £30, which is roughly about 23,000 CFA francs. Interesting, isn't it? Well, that's it for tech news. Next is Meet the Techsperts. You're welcome back to the show on Meet the Techsperts. We are going to be meeting a young tech entrepreneur who is making waves at the moment with a new online web platform known as Wandaprep. Yes, Wandaprep. Now, what is it all about? It is an online web platform which enables cloud engineers getting ready for interview preparations to actually get the basics of what they will expect to find in a natural interview role. Now, for those who would like to ace the game when it comes to interview preparations, Wandaprep is definitely the go-to for you. So let's go meet Gwei Michael Wawa.
Hi, my name is Gwei Michael Wawa. I'm the 2020 Star Prize winner of the Future Africa Leaders Award. Personally, I'm a DevOps and cloud enthusiast. I have several years of experience working on the AWS cloud and other cloud-related technologies, and equally, I'm a tutor. I have a lot of content that aims at helping people transition from any other career into the DevOps and cloud space. And over the past years, I've equally had some experience working in the non-profit sector, doing a lot of empowerment work for young people, young Africans, to gain the necessary skills with respect to information and communication technology. Currently, myself and a team which I coordinate, a team of developers, a team of enthusiastic young people who are interested in being valuable to the community. We are working on a product that can help young people get themselves well equipped with the right digital skills to occupy roles in the current economy. I'm happy to be a part of this episode, and I'm very much hopeful that by the end of you watching this episode, you pick something new that can be of much value addition to yourself or to someone close to you. Talking about this platform, Wandaprep, I've worked a lot with a lot of experts in the United States, in Canada, in Cameroon, in fact in Africa. And one common problem which these experts face is after acquiring the right skills with respect to DevOps and cloud, they face difficulties taking interviews. And not just taking interviews, we have another class of people who actually want to learn DevOps and cloud, but they are actually frustrated about the set of resources which you can access to get themselves started with DevOps and cloud, or which roadmap they can actually use to study DevOps and cloud. That is why we together as a team, we've been able to curate this digital platform, Wandaprep, that can help complete novice, someone who has literally no idea about DevOps and cloud, through our DevOps study roadmap. They can have an idea on some of the key technical skills which will be required to thrive through the DevOps and cloud space. And equally, for someone who's gone through the DevOps and cloud training and looking forward to take interviews that can land them, and looking forward to take interviews that can give them jobs, we've actually curated a lot of resources that can help these individuals prepare rightly for interviews. So you want to visit this platform. If you're having difficulty sharing a lot of your projects in the DevOps and cloud space, we've equally built some models which can help our users easily share their products or their projects with recruiters and those who are interested in their talent. So you want to visit this platform, www.wandaprep.com, to have a lot of insights about the key features which I just mentioned earlier with respect to this platform. So if I want to summarize, Wandaprep has two main problems which we are solving. First, we provide a roadmap for those who want to get into the IT space and they have zero or no clue on how to go about the DevOps and cloud journey. So on our platform, you have a study roadmap and a study module which can help you to gain the necessary DevOps and cloud skills from zero to hero. And secondly, for those who've actually acquired the skills and are looking forward to gaining jobs, we target the problem of interview preparation, which is a glaring problem which a lot of experts have after acquiring the skills. So we have a lot of curated resources that can help you ace or prepare rightly for your DevOps and cloud related interviews.
Interesting, isn't it? Now, if you want to have a sneak peek into the Wandaprep online platform, let's have product review. As earlier mentioned on product review, we are going to be looking at the latest online web platform for cloud engineers wishing to ace the game as far as interview preparations is concerned. And in order to know just how this web platform functions, let's get right into it, see the features, and of course, we'll be right back.
www.wandaprep.com, it takes you to the Wandaprep homepage. So basically, here are some tell me about yourself templates. This is just like a preview. And then with Wandaprep, you have access to their chat GPT application. You have access to their own With Wandaprep, you have access to their own custom GPT application. And then they have some productivity resources, tell me about yourself templates, phone call interviews, And equally, with Wandaprep, you can share your projects, all your past projects. You can create a project portfolio where you'll be able to share one or two projects and then some basic benefits. Equally, with Wandaprep, you can access study roadmaps. You can get a DevOps study roadmap, a complete DevOps study plan with all the various steps, understanding some basic technologies. If you want to know what Microsoft Azure is, you want to understand what GCP is and stuff. So with the roadmap, you can get access to some key DevOps technologies or DevOps work processes. And then equally, you can access some DevOps resources for interviews, resources on AWS, on Azure, on DevOps, on Kubernetes, on Terraform, on CI/CD, on Docker, on Ansible, on Python. So a whole vast majority of DevOps resources are equally available. So for you to access the resources which Wandaprep has, you click on login. If you don't yet have an account, you can sign up, or if you have an account, you can log in. So I'm going to log in with my account. And once I put in my credentials, I'll be able to sign in. Once you sign in to Wandaprep, you have access to the key resources. Like I mentioned, they have phone call interview questions and responses. They have tell me about yourself templates, technical interview use case and questions, and a study roadmap. You can equally create projects. You can look at your completed projects. If you've completed any project, you view all of them here. So if you complete a project, you get this view for all your completed projects, as well as you can come back to the dashboard and then you can add a new project. You can give a project name, the task implemented, summary situation, project architecture diagram. You can add the architecture diagram. You can add it where the project is saved, its source code repository. Is it on GitLab, Bitbucket? You can specify the repository where the project is saved, and then after that you create projects. So this will give you the possibility to create your projects. That's basically how this platform works, and you can use Wandaprep to effectively prepare for your next interview.
Well, that's it for innovation. So much information on the Wandaprep online platform. And I'm certain you definitely want to visit it for yourself and see all of what it contains. Well, next is Tech Lingo. Welcome back, techies. And of course, you know that every profession has got its jargon, every discipline has got its jargon, and technology has also got its jargon. Now, today's jargon on Tech Lingo is traffic. And I'm certain for many people, when they hear traffic, they're thinking about, the number of cars on the road, the traffic holdup, traffic congestion, slow movement and all of that. Well, in technology, we also have traffic, but not like you see on the road. So for us, traffic has to do with the number of users who visit a website. So that's traffic. Now, there are some websites that have high traffic, meaning so many visitors who actually come to the website. And this is also being measured by actual clicks on the website. So that's it for Tech Lingo. Next time when you hear the word traffic on technology, you understand that it's talking about the number of users that a website can attract to itself. Well, dear techies, it's a wrap for us here. Many thanks to all of you for watching, and on behalf of the entire crew, we say keep the appointment. We shall be back again, same time, same station. Until then, keep the faith.